Visionaries, innovative thinkers, policymakers and business leaders of fast growth companies from over 20 countries came together for a power-packed 3 days at the Ernst & Young Strategic Growth Forum India 2012 here in Mumbai. The exclusive forum delivered an interesting and valuable mix of high-quality networking opportunities, featured thought-provoking keynote speakers, presented case studies and engaging panel discussion.
It opens up your minds, you meet a lot of people and you start thinking bigger.
Commend ENY for doing something like this because it brings together practitioners from all over.
It's been a fantastic forum so far. What I've actually enjoyed the most is the diversity that it has offered.
Inspirational leaders such as Harsh Mariwala of Marico and D. Shivakumar of Nokia decoded the success and pit stops of building iconic businesses, while the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Shri Prithviraj Chavan, shared how government is playing a critical role in enabling business. This unique platform, founded and produced by Ernst & Young, saw over 500 global and Indian entrepreneurs and C-suite leaders explore wide-ranging perspectives and ideas, make valuable business connections with one of the most exceptional networking devices in SpotMe.
This is the first time I've seen an instrument like SpotMe.
The sessions shed valuable insights on India's position in the world and its impact on business, doing business in and with Africa, China, Latin America, breakout economies like Libya, Vietnam, the Middle East, and themes such as overseas listings, private equity, game-changing business models, social media.
Like a buffet being laid out, and some people may like something about Africa, to China, to Rasmus Ankerson, to branding. So it had something in it for everyone.
It's interesting to share experiences like that with people in other walks of life.
I think I was most impressed by the quality of questions that I was getting. Very smart audience.
Excellent. Very fruitful.
I was so impressed by the amount of organization and the entrepreneurial spirit and the energy.
With a successful high-voltage event this year, everyone is looking forward to an equally power-packed Strategic Growth Forum next year. Make sure you don't miss the action as it unfolds from the 26th to the 28th of September 2013 in Mumbai. Log in today and register.